Hello, in today's video, we are going to look at the poll feature in Google Hangout Meet. Very important to understand that polls are available to everyone. That being said, only the host can post questions and show everyone's results. How do we start a poll and where do we find this feature? For this, we need to go into Google Hangout Meet, come in the bottom right corner into the activity symbol. When I click on it, I will have a couple of different activities, such as the polls. I need to click on polls, and from here, as the host, if I want to start a new poll, click on start a poll. In here, what I will do is I will ask the question. From there, I will add all the answers that I deem necessary for the question that I'm asking. So obviously I can always click on add an option if I seem that it is very necessary. And when I have done both of these actions, what I can do is I can save the poll or I can launch it. If I launch it, as this is a live event, whenever a person answers it, I will automatically see the answer appear. If I want to end the poll, what I can do is I can click on end the poll. And from there, if I want to show everyone the results, what I can simply do is I can untick this part here, show everyone the results, meaning that on everyone's screen, they will be able to see the results of the poll. If I want to, then afterwards, I can always delete the poll or I can create a new poll. And that is how I will use the poll feature in Google Hangout Meet. That will be it for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.